We are pleased to show you the 2018 Mazda 3. The Mazda 3 meets your vehicle wants and needs. Powerful and economical, technologically savvy, and boasting top safety features, the Mazda 3 is the total package and is priced below $30,000. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, air conditioning, dual airbags, power steering, four-wheel disc brakes, heated front seats, power windows, heated steering wheel, fog lights, trip computer. If affordable style and reliability are what you're looking for, this vehicle couldn't be more perfect. Drive it today.